Welcome to the channel. In this video, we'll cover this amazing lab. So simply click on Start Lab. Once the lab is started, in the description box, I've shared this GitHub repository. You have to come over here, copy the bucket, first command, and from here, just copy the bucket name, update it over here, select entire content, and simply paste over here, hit enter. Now just paste each command one by one. Now let's paste the second command. Third command. And last command. Just follow the sequence as I am doing. First export the bucket, first, second, third, and last command. Now all things are being done. Now just try to check the score. You can clearly see we have got the score without any issue. So do like the video and subscribe the channel and have a great day ahead.